Here I have Xiaomi 12T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap on three dots here, three stripes, then go to settings, and then here you can find volume buttons function. You can set it to shutter, timer, zoom, or volume. So I'm just gonna set it to zoom, and now let's try this feature out. So as you can see right now, with volume keys I can zoom in or zoom out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.